Very chill morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Wednesday and we are going to learn mathematics subject. Yes, in mathematics we are going to learn addition today. Addition. I think you will know what is addition. Now, today also I am going to explain the topic on addition. Yes. Okay. Now, addition means jodna. What is the meaning of addition? Jodna. Okay. Now, I am going to give some example. Yes. Now, tell me what is this? Sticks. Some sticks are in this hand and some more sticks are in this hand. Okay. So, now I am going to add both of the sticks together. Okay. How many sticks are there in this hand? Now tell me. 1, 2. There is 2 sticks. There are 2 sticks in this hand. And how many sticks are this? How many sticks are there in this hand? Come on, tell me. 1, 2, 3 sticks. Okay. Now I am going to put together. Okay, now count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All together make 5 sticks together. Okay, now one more example I am going to give you. Now tell me, what is this smiley? How many smileys are in this hand? Only one. Okay. Now tell me, how many smileys are there in this hand? There are 3. Yes, now I am going to join both of the smileys all together. Now count how many smileys are here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, all together there are 4 smileys. Okay, so I think you understood how to make addition. Yes. Now count how many pens are there in this hand. 1, 2, 3. And in this hand 1, 2. Now 3 and 2 makes how many? Now count all together makes how many pens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pens are here. Okay. So this is called addition. I think you had understood. Yes. We have to add both of the numbers, both of the objects together. Okay, makes addition. Okay, now this is called addition. Yes, 3 and 2 makes 5. We put all together the objects. Yes, okay dear kids. Yes. Now dear kids, tell me how many stars are here. Count and tell me beta. 1 and 2. So we will write here 2. Okay. And in this side 1, 2. Same here. So we will write 2 here. Okay. 2 and 2 makes, altogether makes how many stars are here? Now we will count all the stars. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars? 4 stars. So we will write here 4. Okay dear kids. Now like the same way, now count the circles here. 1, 2, 3. 3 circles are here. Okay, now count the circles over here. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 here. Okay. Now count these circles also. 1, 2, 3. So we will write here in the box 3. 3 and 3 makes. Now count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3 and 3 makes 6. Altogether 6. Okay. Now we will count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write here 5. In the box we will write 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are here. So we will write here 4. 4 and 5 makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So we will write here 9. Yes, dear kids. Like this way you have to do in your textbook also. So we will do it now. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 4343. Okay. Addition, count and fill in the boxes. Now count this ice cream cups, beta. How many cups are here? 1, 2. So write here 2. And here 1, 2. So write here 2. 2 and 2 makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. Okay. Now count these burgers. How many burgers? 1, 2. So we will write here 2. Now again count this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, we will write here 4. 4 and 2 makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are going to write here 6 here. Now count these cakes, beta. 1, 2. Okay. 2. Then how many cakes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will write here 7. 7 and 2 makes how many? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether make 9. So we will write here 9. Yes, dear kids. Now count these eatables. How many are here? 1, 2. So you have to write here 2. Again count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 2 makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 and 2 altogether makes 7. Okay, so we will write here 7. Now take out page number 4444. Count and fill in the boxes. Okay. You have to count all these birds and write in the box. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have. So we will write 7 here. Okay. Now 4 plus 3 makes 7. Okay. Now count these parrots. How many parrots are here? 1, 2, 3. Already 3 had written here and 6 also written here. So together makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. So we will write here 9. Okay. Now 1 and 3 makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write here 4. Now 3 plus 8 equal to how many birds are here? Let's count, dear kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 altogether makes 11. Okay. So we will write here 11. Now I think you had understood how to solve this page. Okay. Yes, dear kids, try to solve up to page number 4444, dear kids. Yes? Okay, I think you had understood the topic very well. See you in next class. Bye bye. Take care.